On the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, ladies and gentlemen, I extend my warm greetings to each and every one of you. I also would like to thank the organizer who has made it possible and brought me to this platform. This day also is observed as an International Day of Non-Violence. From this we can make out, from the life of Gandhiji, the whole world recognized one fact, that he was a man of non-violence. He has not only fought the Indian independence by means of non-violence and peace, but also he was a sergeant major in British Army. This fact is less known to many of us. Yes, he has raised, and he was a pioneer to raise a corps of Indian ambulance in South Africa to serve the War of Boer and the War of Zulu in 1889. In 1914, when he returned to India, he also has initiated the Corps of Ambulance in India to serve the soldiers who would be participating in World War I. From this we can make out, even though he was in the midst of war and violence, he always followed his heart. As his quote goes, "A man is made of his thoughts. As a man thinks, he is." Even though he was in army, he has taken up needle to knit together than take up swords to fight. We can learn a great lesson from the life of Gandhiji as a believer. If we think in our heart, so shall we be. We can take this peace to the people who are living in despair and worries and various troubles. This very peace and love has to emanate from our own home, into our neighborhood, into our own community, and even to the society. Even we can practice this love and peace even in our working place. When we follow the principle of the scripture in truth, in honesty, in integrity, in hard work and dedication, we can always outdo the world, the colleagues who are working. We can stand apart and we can be a light and we can be a salt in the place where we are working. By our good deeds, people will recognize. By our good fruits, they will know the root where we are. And that way we will be able to witness to the world. Even when I was serving in army, I could witness to the troops in fulfilling all the responsibilities and the tasks assigned to me, not only in the professional life, but also in their social life. We could make a great impact in their behavioral modification and their lifestyle. We have not only impacted them, but also have visited hospitals and prisons and also participated in the earthquake and flood relief camps. When you mix up your life with your professional work as well as social life, as per our scripture says, you will have a satisfying and fulfilling tenure. I, on this day of non-violence, and as Gandhiji has achieved freedom for India in following this path, we can also stand together in achieving the results of gospel in our nation. The another thing we can learn from the life of Gandhiji is that even in those remote areas and remote period, that he could gather masses to support his cause. If we are called together to peacefully demonstrate our reservations or our points to the government, it is very rare to find the Christians gathering together in these days. I urge all the Christians, irrespective of their denomination or their theology, we should stand together as brethren to support the cause of our community. When we stand together, even we can move the government and the ordinance the government brings. At the end, my prayer is that we all stand together for the cause of our community, and I wish you a happy and peaceful life. Thank you. Jai Hind.